day 5. The day to leave. Of course, it's raining. Oh well. Make the best of it, can. I'm leaving Susan Lake and finishing the Western Uplands Trail in Algonquin Park today. I don't know, honestly, how much I'm going to get videotaped. I don't like taking my electronics out in the rain too much. I got the GoPro, so should be able to get some stuff with that. It's been fun. I'm going to reflect now. Haven't really saw much wildlife. I was hoping to see more. A couple loons. Heard a screech owl, didn't see it. And then lots of greenery, lots of water here. Trails waterlogged in a few spots, but that's to be expected. The campsites have been nice. The first 2 I had really good swimming spots, not so much the last 2. So I guess you gotta really know where you are getting to. Water sources, no problems. Haven't had to even carry water. I just get it where I want. My equipment, no failures. Everything's worked good, so I'm happy with that. Food's been good. I'm the chef. Can't complain. So to get to the head trail, it's going to be about 16, 18 kilometers today, so a good hoof. I'm up early. It's about 6:30, so I'll get a good go on this. I should be out around lunchtime. Maybe get something to eat at Huntsville on the way out. Anyways, I will check in later, but I hope to get more video of the trail. So it's a gray, darker gray, rainy day. Hiking out to the trailhead from Susan Lake. So the trail's well established. It's good walking right now. A little up and down, but to be expected. It is called Uplands. Western Uplands Trail. So, not a lot of views from tops, panoramas. It's very green tunnel kind of hike, which is also good. The bugs haven't been too bad for this area, especially the amount of rain. Anyways, when it rains, take it in and enjoy, because it's still beautiful to be on the trail. And the final bridge over the small river. End of the Western Uplands Trail. 5 days, pretty fun. I had a great time. I went at a relaxing pace. I also had a lot of time at campsites just to relax and reflect, which is always a good thing, just to slow down and be at peace. Hopefully it's not 26 years until I do this trail again. Thanks for watching, and if you like this, please hit the like button. And please subscribe.